Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a part 2 of what our master bedroom is looking at so far. So we repainted. I'm going to show what it looks like being repainted. I'm going to show you the trim work that Alex did. I'm also gonna show you some rearranging that we did to kind of finesse some things around and try to save money along this process. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and comment below and tell me what you think so far. And this is a little sneak peek of what I'm doing so far, so I'm excited. So let's get into this. Okay guys, so now we're entering into the bedroom, and of course first you see the bed, so let's talk about the bed. Now let me step back. Sorry about the glare. Do you see the ceiling? Before it was plain, and we did this beautiful trim work in the tray ceiling right here, and it goes all the way around. And yes, we did paint floor to ceiling the exact same slate gray from Sherwin-Williams. So the plan for the bed is, honestly, I'm looking to purchase a duvet from Pottery Barn or West Elm. I'm torn between white or cream. So right now I have the Casaluna knitted blanket right here, which I do love. I'm just gonna test out the feeling of what I'm going for first, but I want a very luxe and fluff bed, okay? We're not changing the bed at all. This is what it's gonna look like, okay? We're gonna keep the nightstand. I have not yet styled it. Still shopping around to see what I'm gonna do with it. This is JB's side, just a phone charger right here. And these vessels we got from Target. Okay, I'm gonna change the knobs on it because what I want to do, seeing that all the walls are dark, I'm gonna keep all the furniture pieces light, okay? These curtains are gonna come down. I'm gonna change those rods out to match this light fixture here. This kind of brass color right here that we got from Lowe's. So I'm gonna order, I think I'm gonna order that kind of luxe curtain from Amazon. I want like a little linen light, a linen feel to it that's kind of light and airy. No, I would love to do a nice gallery wall right here of just different picture, not of me and JB, but just different pictures that we think will work. That bench is going right along the TV right here. What I'm going to do is kind of tilted forward. I want it to be flat against the wall, so I have to change the mount behind so it can be more flat. And I want to get like a nice long console table, probably something similar to what I have in the entry right now. Okay, this is my side. Sorry about the glare, guys. This is my side right here. Of course I have to have flowers. I'm going to keep this very light, probably just like this. I would like to get a bigger box just to keep my book in. Guys, I started reading You're a Badass Every Day. I'm reading this. Yeah, and I'm going to change the knob as I stated before. I'm thinking something more subtle. And yes, and this wall right here, okay, that is gonna go. I think I'm gonna put that either in Jackson room, have it repainted one steady color, and then JB and I are gonna figure out something for this extreme long wall coming in to the master. Guys, check out the trim work up top. It's all around the bedroom, all around. I love it. It's such a big difference as having the trim work. We love it. Biggest thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get some estimate to see how much to put hardwood floor in the bedroom and kind of weigh the pros and cons. If it's a little bit too much, we might just put a better quality carpet down, because what we start having here is this bunching thing, which I don't like. So I'm gonna see, kind of see budget wise which one works best. Okay, tell me below what you think. Should we do hardwood floor, or should we just put a higher grade carpet? And that's a quality carpet, so let me know. Next, let's go into the sitting area. I was trying out some things, and I love this right here, this look of the black, the white, the brass, the green. I love the entire combination right here. It's just a vibe to me. That's the feel I want in the space. I'm torn if I should paint this a color just because this is so light. These pillars, I'm going to change them out, so probably before the video and you see what the pillar look like. But I really want to paint this a color. So tell me, should we keep it white or should we just paint it maybe a gray that will play off the wallpaper, and then this will pop more, or even a black? Not quite sure. So, and we got a little table we thrifted from the thrift store for like $5. Cannot wait to put it in. It's very small, so we'll still give space. I ordered curtains for this window right here. That's gonna go from floor to ceiling. Again, something light. I love natural light, but I love moodiness as well. On the opposite side, you guys see this TV is gonna go. We're gonna get a newer TV, and then all the stuff on top where you see the boxes, all that's gonna go. It kind of be hidden. It's not gonna go, it's gonna be hidden. And you guys know this piece right here. So I'm gonna style it up a little bit more. I'm going to have probably some ottomans right here. You know, this crystal that JB got me, we're gonna keep that. I think I'm gonna paint this a gray color to kind of play off the stone, or also play off the wallpaper. Okay, so this is kind of an unfinished bedroom tour. I hope you like what you've seen so far. That's just the second phase in the process. The first was to paint. The second was to kind of see what we're keeping from the old furniture and what we're going to get rid of. As I told you guys before, we're going to get rid of that. We'll put to another space, and then of course move around some pieces and things like that. But I'm truly excited. I hope you guys like the progress so far. Next, I'm going to show you the bathroom, because we painted that. We painted that as well, the exact same color. And also we did something fun in the water closet. I can't really show you guys that. I'm excited to see what the finished product looks like. Guys, your bedroom should represent you and your partner. It should be a space where you can just come, relax, unwind, and just be yourself. Okay. And honestly, I was scared to go floor to ceiling the exact same color, because I'm like, oh, I don't know. But I love it. I love the moodiness of the space. And I think the current furniture that we had before works way better with the darker look. So comment below, let me know what you think. I'm excited. If you have any suggestion for what we could do with this wall, I'm thinking artwork, but I want to do something just a little bit of something different. I'm not quite sure yet, but thanks for watching. Don't forget, we are, I think right at this point, we're 19 subscribers away from 2,000. Cannot wait to do the giveaway, so it's not too late. So comment below, subscribe, let's have a conversation, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok and also Instagram. I'm going to have all those things listed below. Guys, guess what? You guys were so kind and so sweet to me. You guys were asking about where I get certain things from. So now I think it's called a like to know link. So I'm going to figure out, and I'm going to try and create links for things that I do have. And of course, you guys know if you use those links, I do get a small commission from each purchase. I just want to be upfront about that. So I will have that link below as well. But thank you guys. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.